Once the captain finds a parking space and turns that fasten seatbelt sign off, that is your sign that you may get up. Please be careful when opening those overhead bins, as items may have shifted during flight and could fall out. You may now use those portable functions on your cell phones, as long as they are within arm's reach. Please be advised the aircraft doors will be open for ground servicing, so ensure that you or any children you are traveling with remain clear of the front and back doors. If you are connecting here to another Southwest flight, please check the terminal for your most up-to-date flight and gate number. If you are continuing on to DC, please remain seated. Once we get an accurate head count from the back, we will let you get up and move around. We will have a crew change, so we do ask that you be patient with us and let us get everything done. Let our local passengers depart, and we'll get you up as soon as we can. Go ahead, take a few moments, check those seat back pockets, make sure you retrieve all your items, cell phones, books, glasses, iPads, toys, Play-Doh, candy, anything that you have in there, because once you exit the aircraft, you are not allowed to reboard. We certainly have enjoyed sharing part of our afternoon with you. We know you have many choices when you fly. We do thank you for choosing Southwest Airlines. And again, we do apologize for all the bumps and the delays and getting those drinks out in a timely manner. We will catch y'all next time. Now go out, be kind to someone today, give them a smile, have a great rest of your day, and a great weekend. Welcome to Nashville.